So, hi everyone. Look at this question. First of all, read the question carefully. A person with a myopic eye can't see the object beyond 1.2. Okay, it means it is a far point. What should be the type of corrective lens? Should. Okay, so I'm not drawing the like your eye. I am simply draw the lens in our eye. Okay, this is the lens in our eye. That is convex lens. Before that, I just put the corrective lens. That is concave lens. So actually they are asking the power of this lens. Power of this lens, what will be? So we know that this lens is still object is at infinity. Is still object is at infinity. So lines are coming parallel like this. This will diverge like this. When you take it back, this our concave lens is going to form an image at its far point. So this is the far point which is shifted. So image is going to form at here. Is it clear? Now for concave lens, this is our image distance. It is actually very close. I have shown this distance now, very large, but actually this is close, not that much far. Okay, sorry. So apply the formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So v will be what? Minus 1.2 meter. U will be minus infinity. Okay. So 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 by 1.2. 1 upon f is a power. Yeah. Power is equal to minus 1 upon 1.2. How much? 10 by 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. What is the answer? Tell me. 5 by 6 approximately it is coming out to be how much? If you divide like minus 0.83 wrapped. Clear? That is a corrective lens power minus 0.83 diopter. So they are asking what is the type? Concave lens. What will be the power? You already saw 0.83 diopter. So like I have drawn roughly, you should draw properly. But nobody is going to ask like to draw the diagram. They are asking simply the power and corrective lens. Okay. This is our actually I have drawn like this. Actually it is in our eye. It is inside our eye. Eye or eye. Okay. It's the retina. Okay. Clear. I hope you understood. Thank you.